True Madaro. Madarao. There you go. Oh, I can wear a shield. Huh, that's interesting. If that's the case, then no wonder 1v1 knights can tank. Because they have the shield. I mean, they can solo because they have the shield. Come on, where's my extra parts? I have skills running for crying out loud. Of course, I'm still using my 60 weapon. Where's my 105 weapons? Maybe 70/6 is the maximum amount for a two-handed weapon. What do you guys think? Let me see. Yeah, see, my attack speed went up to 100%. So weird. Maybe, yeah. That's not fair. Can't reach 100% with a two-handed weapon? Oh, well, this has attack speed. What about this? Yeah, see, That's... So sad. Ah, extra boots. Nice. I don't have an element for this. What element are the... there you go. Okay, they are electric. I mean, water, so we will do electric on this sword. There you go. Now we can use this. Uh-oh. I'm gonna try still. After this, I'm gonna get a restat really quick. Just go full dexterity, see if I reach 100% attack speed with my two-handed sword. Did you guys see Saigon or Cryptic? I can't remember. Saigon's message about the DCs and his hardware driving getting wiped out. That sucks. But I can't wait until the maintenance. He said there's going to be a big maintenance, a significant one. I think was his word, significant or not small by any means or something like that. So I can't wait to see what he has, what he's going to say. He's probably going to remove the butlers now, the Clockwork Butler, the RPS event. I love that event, by the way. Yesterday I just got the cape. Finally, after trying for a while, I finally got the cape. Aha, yes. And I'm using that, I'm giving that to Kenneth's Knight to tank. It's pretty pro cape. It's I'd say it's even better than the Cloak of Bravery, which only gives 20% HP, while this cape gives 30%. Wow. I should probably get like a vampire two-handed sword to make this faster. Just temporarily. It's only 25 mil, 20 mil in shops right now. Lag. When will it rain? One more level, then let's go to St. Morning. That's weird. There's probably some lag going on that I don't know of. Alright, off to St. Morning. Yes! Okay. Water. It's good for you. Did you drink water this morning? You need 8 glasses of water. Don't forget to drink water. Because if you don't drink water, you die. So don't forget. What am I looking for? Two-handed sword. That's a one-handed axe. Oh wait, I need a vampire. Not ancient, vampire. It's the wand, staff. Let's see. Buying butchers. I don't see any. That one's pretty cool, but it's a Lusaka. Blech. But then again, the vampire and the ancient are the same level, I think, right? Open! Open. You bastard, open. Oh, there you go. Okay, it's only 20 mil. Yeah, 20 mil. Let's get that. I'm also in need of... There's some delay going on. Yep, okay, I need to go level up now. I think I'm gonna go to Coral Island. I need to buy a thingy. I need to buy a ticket. There is someone said something. I saw a message in one of the shops. I have a butcher's for sale. My friend and I decided that we won't go less than 40 Perrin. It's kind of OP, but it's okay. Not a lot of people are dungeoning right now for whatever reason. I don't know why. Okay. Coral Island we go. I know, it's pretty OP. $35p. I don't know, we'll have to see. Console, is that the right word? I don't think that's the right word, console. I am a grammar English Nazi, so when I don't type in the right thing, I get confused. I get a little irritated. Come on. Nope. You know, I think 35 Perrin is a good price. Right? 35 Perrin. Now I'm interested. I blanked out. Whoa. What the heck? That's weird. I could use that? I thought I needed a two-handed weapon to use that. Yay, extra suit. Ah! Yay! Finally, I'm selling this stupid thing. Close your eyes, guys. I want to log in with my account details. Hey everyone, sorry about that. If the window kind of shifted a little, I apologize. I accidentally moved the window while I was doing something, and now it's kind of not aligned well. So just a minor thing. What are we doing? We are doing something. What are we doing? We are leveling up.